like, are you married?
No. Oh, you're looking at my ring. I just wear it so that I don't get harassed by girls.
Yeah, I could see that.
It's a curse, really, you know? Here's some oil. Here. And some rosemary. And here and here. Some salt in it. And some pepper.
That's a really large carrot.
Ready to put the veggies in?
Yeah. Can I help you with this?
No.
Give him a little shush?
Yeah. Now we're going to flip the bird.
Do you need a fork or something?
There you go, and something. Maybe this thing. Let's stick this in. I'll just stick this in the hole here. That's too tight. Nice.
And now it has to cook for another hour?
Yep. And those duck juices are going to drip on those veggies, and that's going to be real nice.
Oh, you could also put that in for your sauce.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Let me get the oven.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. That smells good.
It smells delicious.
So we got another hour, and then we'll let the bird sit for a little bit, and then we'll eat the fuck out of that.
So what's on the agenda for the next hour?
I can think of a couple of things. Yeah, let me show you. Let me give you the grand tour.
Okay.
Alright, we've had our sauce cooking for a while, and it is looking good. And we're going to take the giblets out, and then we're going to add our dried apricots, and they will plump up the port. Really makes it very rich, very tasty. Now we just have the sauce and the onions, which is looking real good. We got some dried apricots. We're going to add this to it, maybe about a half a cup. And we're going to bring it to boil again. And let those apricots plump up. Our sauce is pretty much done, and I'm just going to make it a little bit thicker by adding some cornstarch, and that'll thicken it right up. The trick to thickening it up with cornstarch is to put it in a separate dish and mix it up, whisk it in with some water so you don't get the clumps. And add it to our sauce. Very nice. And give it a little stir. And it's going to be really good. It smells so good. And all these giblets have been taken out, and they are exquisite. No trick though, don't let your date see you do this, because you'll never get laid. You can eat them when she goes to the bathroom or something. So, Dana, we've got our duck, we got carrots, potatoes, parsnips. You want something else, maybe broccoli, steamed broccoli or something?
Yeah, green would be great.
Alright. We got some nice broccoli. Here, hold on.
You want me to wash it for you?
Would you mind?
Sure.
And we'll steam it.
Great. Is this organic?
Mm-hmm.
Brooklyn grown?
Yep.
Wow.
Nothing but the best.
What's for dessert?
I don't know, maybe a little cream pie.
Whoopie pie?
If you want.
Oh, I like whoopie pie.
So we got our broccoli in there. It's gonna steam. Steaming's a lot better than boiling because it retains a lot of the nutrients.
So, what's the desired temperature?
It's best around 169.
Okay. So, you think I could have some more wine?
Yeah, totally.
I'm just amazed by this duck. It looks delicious.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to sink my teeth into that duck.
Yeah, I bet you are, girl.
Wow, it's really hot in here.
It's pretty hot, huh?
Would you mind if I took my gloves off?
Not at all.
Okay, good, because it's just too hot. I'm just gonna be hanging out in here.
You hang out all you want, girl. So while she's relaxing in the other room, we're gonna have a little time to kind of recap on the night. We've got our duck. She obviously wants the when she eats this shit, man, just watch her face. I'm telling you, it works every single time. No big whoop. It's like shooting fish in a barrel. So we'll set the table and we'll let her just hang out, get some candles, get the wine out there. Very important to keep her glass filled all the time. Get her ass trashed. Works. Alright. Everything's pretty much done. This dinner is going to rule. It was pretty easy to do, and I think she will be too. Okay, duck's done. That's a crispy duck. Alright, maybe you can just place it right there. Get chopping it up. The skin is really nice and crispy. Mmm. Oh man. This is going to be definitely a good one to add to my repertoire, and I hope it's one that adds on to yours as well, because if this doesn't get you some, I don't know what will. Really good. I'm just going to love this. It doesn't have to look that pretty, because by this point, she's half liquored up anyways. Just gotta taste good, and it tastes really good. Alright, time to eat.
With you, share my time with you, share my time with you, share my time with you. Sometimes we get caught up in everyday life, but my love will be so